Sometimes, when you excavate a burial cairn, you make discoveries that take your breath away. A Roman cauldron made of bronze was uncovered in a burial cairn in Gylland in Trøndelag County. When removing the uppermost stone layer, we came to a layer of stone slabs in the center of the cairn. We found the bronze cauldron under one of these slabs. The bronze cauldron sat on a small flat stone and had burnt human bones in and around it. We found birch bark underneath and on top of the cauldron, suggesting it was wrapped or covered in bark. The bronze cauldron dates the grave to the Roman Iron Age, around 150 to 300 AD. It belongs to a type of pot archaeologists call an Østland cauldron, since many cauldrons of this kind have been found in graves in southeast Norway, which is part of the country called Østlandet. The bronze cauldrons originally came from the Roman Empire. They probably traveled all the way to Norway via gift exchange or trade and ended up as burial urns. Imported goods like these were reserved for the most affluent members of society and thus were important symbols of wealth and power. Finding something like this is not an everyday occurrence for an archaeologist. A Roman bronze cauldron hasn't been found in central Norway since the 1960s. This cauldron was found further north, in Steinkjer, and it contained gold rings, a sword, arrowheads, and bear claws, along with the cremated bones of the deceased. The newly discovered cauldron was in quite a bad shape and had been repaired several times. It was taken to our conservation laboratory to be examined further. An X-ray showed that there were no metal items inside the cauldron. However, the soil inside the cauldron could still contain objects made from organic materials. The soil was removed in the laboratory, and thus far both bones and charcoal have been found. An analysis of the cauldron and its contents will give us important information about the Roman Iron Age community in this part of Norway. Who was the person whose remains were buried in the cauldron? And why did a bronze cauldron from the Roman Empire end up in Gylland, Norway?